10 Best Quotes of Film Intolerance, Love's Struggle Throughout the Ages, 1916. Intolerance is a 1916 epic silent film directed by D. W. Griffith. Subtitles include Love's Struggle Throughout the Ages and A Sunplay of the Ages. 2, 3. Regarded as one of the most influential films of the silent era, though it received mixed reviews at the time. 4. The 3.5-hour epic intercuts 4 parallel storylines, each separated by several centuries. First, a contemporary melodrama of crime and redemption. Second, a Judean story, Christ's mission and death. Third, a French story, the events surrounding the Saint Bartholomew's Day massacre of 1572. And fourth, a Babylonian story, the fall of the Babylonian Empire to Persia in 539 BC. Each story had its own distinctive color tint in the original print. 3. The scenes are linked by shots of a figure representing eternal motherhood, rocking a cradle. Catherine de Medici, such a fine man, Admiral Coligny. If only he thought as we do. Admiral Coligny, such a wonderful king. If only he thought as we do. Prince Belshazzar, to his princess beloved, the fragrant mystery of your body is greater than the mystery of life. Intertitle, Ancient Jerusalem, the golden city whose people have given us many of our highest ideals, and from the carpenter shop of Bethlehem, sent us the man of men, the greatest enemy of intolerance. Title card, and now our fourth story of love's struggle against intolerance, in the distant time when all the nations of the earth sat at the feet of Babylon. This intertitle introduces the Babylonian sequence, establishing the film's exploration of intolerance across history. Visuals, the recurring motif of the rocking cradle throughout the film symbolize the enduring power of love and hope despite the surrounding chaos. Visuals, the use of contrasting colors, like white for innocence and black for oppression, emphasizes the film's exploration of good versus evil. When women cease to attract men, they often turn to reform as a second choice. We must always forgive our enemies, God will attend to the justice. In the land of the free, slaves were scourged to build up fortunes for their masters. Today, just an hour of love for the bride and groom in the little dear home. Out of the cradle, endlessly rocking. Each act of cruelty during the French massacres dwarfs the most blood-curdling deeds ever committed. Tears of sorrows are the echoes of a broken heart. The loom of fate weaves death for the starving workers and weaves a scaffold for the falling heads of the mighty. So great is the human heart, so strong the feeling of right and justice. A mother's sorrow cuts deeper than the knives of murderers.